Ready to capture memories with a retro twist? The Fujifilm Instax Mini 99 is here to sprinkle fun on your photo game. This nifty gadget combines vintage charm with modern ease, making every click a joyous journey back in time. So let's take a closer look at what makes the Instax Mini 99 a super fun camera for capturing life's joyful moments in a flash. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 99. Now this little instant camera is really something special, isn't it? At first glance, it may seem like just another retro-inspired shooter, but spend some time with it, and you'll quickly realize this bad boy packs a serious creative punch. When it comes to design, it keeps things clean and minimalist with an all-black body. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it doesn't scream for attention like some overly cutesy instant cams out there. This thing means business while still channeling that nostalgic Instax charm we all know and love. Speaking of nostalgia, using the Mini 99 could be an experience straight out of the good old days. You get those classic credit card-sized instant prints developing right before your eyes. There's just something magical about holding a physical photo in your hands mere moments after clicking the shutter. It's a feeling modern digital photography can't quite replicate. But don't let the vintage vibes fool you. This camera is absolutely brimming with innovative features that let you flex your creative muscles. The color effect dial and its 6 brilliant analog filters are powered by built-in LED lighting. Just give that dial a twist and watch as your prints transform with sun-kissed warmth, dreamy blue hues, or an old-school cross-processed look straight out of the 70s. Each effect is more stunning than the last, adding layers of artistic flair you'd normally have to edit in post-processing. As if that wasn't enough, the Mini 99 lets you play around with the brightness levels to get that exposure just right. Dropping the shadows or boosting the highlights can take an otherwise ordinary shot and turn it into a jaw-dropping piece of photographic art. But wait, there's more. This feature-packed beast also sports a manual vignette control. One flick of the vignette switch and you've instantly drawn the viewer's eye towards your subject with subtle, faded edges. Of course, no instant camera would be complete without some fun extra shooting modes to liven things up. The Mini 99 doesn't disappoint with goodies like bulb mode for capturing light trails, double exposure for surreal blended shots, and specialized settings for nailing indoor, sports, and close-up photos. Now at this point, you might be thinking, this all sounds incredible, but also maybe a bit complicated for an instant cam. Fear not. While deceptively powerful, the Mini 99 is an absolute joy to use thanks to its intuitive controls and design focused on ease of use. The dual shutter buttons let you seamlessly snap pics in both portrait and landscape orientations. The included metal grip with a tripod mount provides a steady, ergonomic hold, and the simple zone focusing system quickly switches between landscape, macro, and everything in between with just a twist of the lens ring. You can absolutely treat this as a fun point and shoot for parties and casual snapping. But for those looking to really unleash their creativity, the Mini 99 is ready and waiting with an arsenal of cool features to help you capture the world in fresh, unexpected ways. Is it perfect? Well, nothing ever is. You'll burn through those Instax Mini film packs pretty quickly if you get too snap-happy. And the lack of a selfie mirror makes framing self-portraits a bit trickier. But at the end of the day, those are just minor nitpicks in an otherwise insanely fun and creatively fulfilling experience. And let us tell you that the Fujifilm Instax Mini 99 is now available for pre-order at under $200. While not an insignificant investment, this unique instant camera opens up a world of creative possibilities with its array of special effects and shooting modes. It strikes a nice balance between point-and-shoot fun and advanced photographic expression. For casual shooters looking to relive that nostalgic instant print magic, the Mini 99 delivers in spades. But it's also a fantastic option for photographers, artists, and anyone seeking an inspiring tool to spark their creativity. With easy-to-use controls alongside powerful features, this feisty little shooter has something for everyone to enjoy. So, that's all about Fujifilm Instax Mini 99. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.